Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's project or install is tinting my front windshield. It's been clear for the longest time, so I decided to have it tinted since the weather right now is very hot. I'm currently at Better Details here in Parañaque, and right now they're currently prepping the car, cleaning off the windshield um, to prepare for the install. So this is the clear tint. It has a green shade, and this is what's going to be installed. All right, so here we go. Right now, they're laying down the tint to make sure that it covers the exposed area, and they'll start cutting it down just to make sure that it fits the windshield. At this time, what I currently have on my car, I have Vehicle OEM05 installed on the sides and the rear glass. My windshield has been tint free for the longest time, but I decided to go ahead and have it tinted because it was getting too hot on sunny days. So I opted to go with the clear tint with the green shade. So this is an overhead shot of the car. The installer is currently using a heat gun to, I guess, expand the tint and make sure that it's contoured to the windshield. So what's happening right now is they're cleaning the inner windshield, making sure that the dirt is all gone before they apply the clear tint. Right now, the installer is obviously installing the tint. It does take a lot of skill to install these types of tints on cars, so uh, kudos to him. So after seeing the owner's car, he has medium tint installed. I changed my mind and went with medium tint as well on the windshield. Um, he did say that visibility at night is clear and I was able to see. So I just went ahead and took the chance and had this installed on my windshield. Eventually, the tint was installed. So I guess the next video or one of the next videos I'll be making is the visibility of how it looks like during the day and as well as visibility at night, which is the most important thing for me when driving at night, especially when it's raining. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch out for more content about my upgrades to this Honda City GM6. Bye.